Managing asset depreciation. It's easy to use CSE's Asset Manager to manage and report on the economic useful life of an asset or group of assets and project their depreciating value over time, helping you plan and budget ahead. We have three choices of depreciation method we can set. A straight line depreciation of the original value, a percentage depreciation per year, straight line depreciation based on the expected economic life of an asset, and the reducing balance method, in which the depreciation percentage is applied to the net book value of the item each year. To calculate depreciation, you'll need to know at least the purchase price and date of each asset. Then, depending on the method of calculation you choose, you may also need to estimate the residual value or useful economic life of an asset. If you've used a CSV file to import an asset list into your register, much of this information can be pre-populated. Asset Manager is unique in that it can categorize assets in hierarchies. These work rather like an ordinary file structure in an operating system. This allows you, if you wish, to create default depreciation settings in a higher level category that will then cascade down to the subcategories and assets contained in them, saving you time. It also allows you to view depreciation reports for whole categories of assets. First though, we'll look at an example of setting up a depreciation report for our single large folding table, just to show that Asset Manager really can handle any type of asset. First, we locate our asset in the hierarchy, and then open the record. We then scroll down to the relevant part of the record, set a purchase date of the 1st of September 2012, and set a purchase price of £300. We could now set this record to inherit depreciation settings from the categories above in the hierarchy. But this time, we choose to set depreciation individually for this asset. We set a straight line depreciation based on the expected economic life of the asset, set a residual value of £20, and an expected useful economic life of 7 years. Now we save the record and ask Asset Manager to go away and generate our depreciation report for us. And there's the report. We can see clearly how this table is going to depreciate in value over time. One of the great benefits of Asset Manager is that you can also select a number of assets manually, or indeed a whole category of assets at a time, and view their projected depreciation as a group. Let's do this for our workstations. The whole workstation category has already been set a default 10% straight line depreciation in Asset Manager's Preferences menu. To view a depreciation report for the whole workstation category, we first go to the Admin portal. Click on Reports, go to My Reports, Add New Report, and select Asset Depreciation. We now name our report. I'm calling mine Workstations. Select Asset Category and locate our Workstation category in the asset hierarchy. That done, we save the changes and ask Asset Manager to generate our report. Voila! Here's the report for everything that we have in our example Workstation asset category. We can see all the records at a glance, and for example on page 2 that Sarah MPC is nearing the end of its useful economic life. We'll have to budget for a new workstation in a year or so. On the last page, we can see a summary of the NBV and depreciation percentage values for the entire category of assets. These reports can be exported in a number of formats, including PDF, CSV and Microsoft Excel, allowing you to process the data further. You can even choose to share a report with another user automatically. We hope you found this video useful. Please view our other videos on CSE Asset Manager and Service Manager via cseassetmanager.co.uk. Do contact us if you want further information, and thanks for watching.